this is a review on the GK61 versus the RK61 over here on the right. Now, I'm going to be telling you, at least my opinion. Now, keep in mind, this whole video is going to be my opinions, so if you don't, this is just my opinion and just my overall review. I have had both of these keyboards for a long time, so I kind of have a good grasp on, the features of it and the RGB and stuff like that. So let's hop right into the review. Now, I actually do have 2 videos of both these keyboards. So if you want like separate reviews, more in depth, definitely go on my other videos of that, because I have a video on both of these. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, go ahead. Okay, so what we want to hop into first is the RGB. Now, as you guys can see, these both have RGB, colors or whatever. So I'm gonna quickly go through them. You guys can kind of just yeah, you can see. But really, I mean, there are different options there. Like, you can control the speed and all of that stuff. But I'm gonna be honest, the one that instantly wins here is the RK61. Now, the reason why that is because look at this one is a lot brighter than this one, as you guys can see. So obviously I'm not in the best lighting right here, but it's still so much brighter on this one than this one. Which I'm not saying this one's super dim, but this one's just not as bright as this one. Now, if you don't like that, then I guess don't go with it. But I think you can turn this down. So if you guys don't like this much of a just like this bright and it's just too annoying for your eyes, then maybe go with this one or with the black version of this one. This also, the colors of the keyboard do change as well. The color bounces more off the white one than the black one. That's just something to keep in mind. Now, as you can see, both of these have, you can change how fast you want it, or you can do max speed here. That'll go fast. Same deal here. Slow it down or speed it up. It just does that. Okay, there we go. So, and also this one has a lot more colors without having to go into the software. There's so much more here than the GK61. And that is just going to be an instant point for the RK61 right off the bat here. RGB is like one of the main things I really like. So, yeah, that's just like one of the main things I like in, my keyboard. So, instant point goes to RK61. Let's move on to the next point of the keyboard. Okay, next thing I want to go into for both these keyboards is the durability of both of them. Now, they are obviously similar in design. They're both 60% keyboards, so they're going to look a lot similar. And they're priced at about the same, they're about the same price. So, there's not going to be a huge, this keeps going off. I don't know why, but just ignore it. Yeah, but I want to say one thing. This is made with, I'm not sure what keycaps the thing is, but after about a year or two, the keys will get kind of gross and they'll be like shiny after use, and they're not as good as the GK61. Now, I guess I could go over another thing here. This thing is in the middle. This thing's on the left side. I know that's not really a big deal, but it's just kind of nice. I kind of like it more when it's on the left side. I know it's not really have to do with durability, but I'm going to give it to the GK61 here. It just has a better overall keycap design. Of course, you can get more different keycaps once they go, like they're not good anymore, obviously. But just with what it comes with is what you would want for durability, the GK61. Now, another a main point of getting a keyboard is the switches it has, or a mechanical keyboard, I should say. Now, if we look at the RK61, it has some of the most standard, I'd say, switches that I've seen. So it just has blues, reds, and browns, and they're kale. So they're not as good as like a speed switch or there you go, something like that. But yeah, so basically pretty standard. I have blues on here, if you're wondering. That's what it sounds like. Yeah, so we go over here. This one has more options. It has red, brown, black, yellow, and I'm pretty sure it also has blue as well. So these ones, they might have silver. I might not be 100% correct on that, but I know it at least has more options here. Now, what if I want to get browns, right? This one also has browns as well. Well, This one is nowhere near as fast as these switches. So basically, the GK61 here has a lot faster of a bottom out time. Now, if you guys are wondering, bottom out, what is that? What does that even mean? Okay, so bottom out is pushing the key down until it hits the bottom. So really, really fast on the GK61. It's incredibly fast. Versus, well, you can't. It's kind of hard to see when on camera, but when you're actually using these keyboards, this thing it goes down to the thing so quickly. Now we've reached the end of the video here. Now, here is my personal opinions at the end here. I did, in the end, give more points to the RK61, but I did get better switches and higher durability on the GK61 now. So, basically, there's a couple things I want to go over. Now, obviously, you can get new keycaps. That's something, but it's kind of nice just having it with it, you know? And also, if you're trying to look for a super fast keyboard, not as fast as the SteelSeries Apex Pro, but it is just about in second here. One of the fastest keyboards, such nice switches if you get the yellow ones. Now, they are more expensive if you get the yellow ones, but roughly they're about the same price here. So, super nice keyboard. Like, if you're looking for a durable, super fast keyboard, I mean, it is so nice. But if you're looking for that, go with the GK61. My personal opinion is the GK61. This is my personal favorite. Even though I gave more to the RK61, the switches and durability are one of the most important factors here. And the switches just sound so nice right now. And, you know, the RGB, obviously, as well. I mean, they're also in close tie. There are more options here, and it might look brighter. It might be different if you get, like, a white GK61. They have crazy new stuff for it. They have all red GK61. All purple GK61. So, it's actually kind of crazy what they have now. And then I'll go over RK61 now. I know a lot of people got it from my review, which, you know, more people have seen this one. So, this one has a lot of good features as well. First of all, it's a lot cheaper. The RGB looks just so nice. Now, obviously, there are softwares for both of these. So, I guess technically for more RGB functions, if that makes sense, this one has more off the bat, but I guess both have software. So if you want to customize them however you want, go ahead and do that. It's just the preset ones, you know, without having to go into the software and change a ton of stuff. So yeah, I want to give RGB to the RK61 here. The durability is not as good over here as the GK61, but you can change out the keycaps. That's something you can do. Switches aren't as good as well, not as fast. Not saying they're bad at all. They're really great switches, don't get me wrong. They're just not as good as the GK61. Now, don't let that deter you away from buying this or buying both of these keyboards. They're both really solid. Personally, I just go with the GK61. But if you guys want to get the RK61, don't let this be, you know, like, or if you already have it, don't say your keyboard is not good or anything. It's great. But so both of these keyboards are really solid. I'm probably gonna give it to the GK61 in the end, but they both have solid qualities. Now, thank you for watching the video. If you got this far, comment like tabletop, okay? Tabletop. If you commented, I'll pin the comment, okay? Tabletop is what you need to comment, okay? Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys later.